If you're wondering how I went from this to this and this video is for you. Hi besties, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time. Thank you. So for this recipe, you need 2 main ingredients, and I'm saying 2 because every other thing you choose to add to it is optional. You know, you can decide to add lemon, lime, turmeric, cinnamon. Those are really optional. They are not really the main ingredients for this recipe. So it's ginger and cloves. You need ginger, you need clove for this recipe. So into our blender, I added the thoroughly washed ginger. I also added 1 tablespoon of clove. Also note that if you're actively breastfeeding, this recipe is not for you, please. If your baby is still breastfeeding, you know, like actively, this recipe is not for you. So after adding the clove, we're gonna go in with, you know, a little bit of water to give it that consistency we want. We're looking at getting a consistency like paste. So, but you just use your discretion to add water to the point where you know that when you blend it, you're going to get that paste like consistency. That's what we want. We want to get that paste like consistency. So you just add enough water to give it that consistency that we want, and that's it basically. So here you're just going to blend. You just keep blending until you feel like it's smooth enough to give you that, you know, paste like consistency. And then at some point, I decided to add a little bit of water because I opened and checked, and then I saw that it was kind of thick, like very thick, as you can see. So I went in with a little bit of water to, you know, loosen it up a little bit, and then I continued blending. There are so many ways of prepping this, but I prefer this method because I've tried this method and it worked for me. I've also tried the one where you have to, you know, chop up the ginger and then boil it in a pot with hot water and drink. But it didn't really give me the result that I'm getting from blending it. So that's why I'm showing you this method. Now we're done blending. We just empty the content into a plastic plate that has lid. You know, like a plate that has a lid where you can cover it tightly and put it away in the fridge. So when it's preserved in the fridge, it can last for as long as 3 to 4 weeks. And that's all basically for the preparation. The best way and time to take this combo is in the morning, first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Just add it to a cup and then add boiled water. Allow it to sit for 1 minute and then you can drink. You drink on empty stomach and then, you know, allow yourself 2 to 3 hours before eating breakfast. Don't just drink it and take breakfast straight away. So that's all you need basically for that flat tummy. Thank you.